Welcome to the Learning Academia. Let's learn different types of scientist. Agronomist. They are professionals who study plant science and its practical applications in agriculture. Agronomists study crops and farming techniques. They might examine different seeds and consider how slight modifications to the genetics of a crop can increase yields or resilience. Archaeologists. Archaeologists study human civilizations and cultures. They work in the field searching for artifacts, both human-made and organic. They might visit sites, conduct excavations, and extract material, such as coins and tools, that can reveal information about ancient cultures. Astronomer. An astronomer is a scientist in the field of astronomy who focuses their studies on a specific question or field outside the scope of Earth. They observe astronomical objects such as stars, planets, moons, comets, and galaxies. Botanist. Botanists study plant life. Their research involves finding new uses for plants as remediation tools, medicines, fabrics, or biofuels. A botanist studies physiological processes, like photosynthesis, and performs tests to improve disease resistance, yield, and nutritional value of crops. Chemist. Chemists study chemical elements, how they react to each other, and the chemical makeup of substances. They conduct experiments to learn about the properties of various substances, and consider how reactions can change the chemical composition of elements. Computer scientists. Computer scientists may also focus their research on particular fields, such as data structure design and development, computational complexity theory, computer graphics, programming language theory, software engineering, and information theory. Ecologist. Ecologists are specialists who survey ecosystems and analyze the profusion, diversity, and behavior of various organisms within them. An ecologist studies the relationships between living things and their environment. Geneticist. A geneticist analyzes genes to understand how they are inherited, mutated, activated, or deactivated, and what role they play in certain diseases. Some geneticists carry out studies and tests and counsel patients with hereditary conditions or congenital malformations. Physicists. Physicists study the fundamental principles governing matter, energy, space, and time. They explore fields like quantum mechanics, astrophysics, particle physics, condensed matter physics, and more. Psychologists. Psychologists study and help treat people's cognitive, emotional, and social processes and behaviors and understand their clients' thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. A psychologist is a trained mental health professional who helps people learn healthy ways to handle mental health challenges. Marine biologists. Marine biologists studies life in the ocean, from fish and mammals to plant life and environmental factors. They study living organisms in the ocean and other bodies of water. They analyze the behaviors or physiology of a specific population and assess the condition of habitats and the effects of human activity on those animals. Seismologist. A seismologist is an earth scientist who focuses on geophysics, specifically studying the origin and movement of seismic waves in geological substances. Seismologists investigate earthquakes and their following events, such as landslides and tsunamis. Zoologists. Zoologists are specialists that research animals in a range of different ways. Zoology, that studies the members of the animal kingdom and animal life in general. They study animals and their behavior, including their evolution, anatomy, physiology, behavior, distribution and classification. Thank you. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe. The Learning Academia.